That feeling of panic, patting your pockets, realizing your keys are inside, it's over. The future of home security is keyless, convenient, and incredibly smart. But with so many options, how do you choose one that's both secure and reliable? We've installed, hacked, and stress-tested the most popular models to bring you the 5 best smart locks of 2025. One of them has a feature so futuristic, it feels like magic, and it might just be the ultimate peace of mind for your front door. Number 1. Ultraloq Bolt Fingerprint Wi-Fi Smart. Ultraloq's first ever Apple Home Fingerprint Smart Deadbolt is a smart lock that is fully integrated into Apple Home. It can be unlocked with the Apple Home app by using an iPhone or Apple Watch. Moreover, you can share access for your guests. Just add a HomePod, Apple TV, or iPad as a home hub to make your lock part of automations or control it remotely with Siri. Control your smart lock anytime, anywhere, lock, unlock, share key or codes remotely to your family, guests, or service people for permanent access, specific dates or periods of time. Manage up to 50 access codes, view lock history, receive real-time notifications when paired to the igloohome app and connected to a 2.4G Wi-Fi network. No extra gateway required. The most versatile keyless entry door lock, voice control with Siri or Alexa plus fingerprint ID plus anti-peep keypad plus smartphone app plus auto unlock plus web portal plus key/code sharing plus 2 mechanical keys. Number 2. Yale August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Enjoy key-free and phone-free access to your home with the Yale August Wi-Fi Smart Lock with keypad touch. Your lock installs on the inside of your door without replacing your deadbolt, so you can keep your existing keys. Plus, your keypad can be placed anywhere within Bluetooth range of your smart lock for ultimate flexibility. With the biometric keypad, enjoy an extra layer of convenience and security and enter your home with just a simple touch of your finger. Tired of hiding keys? Allow family and friends temporary or permanent access to your home with a custom entry code through the Yale keypad, or by using the Yale Access app. Keep tabs on your door from anywhere using the app's 24/7 activity feed and create access schedules for service people and more for ultimate control. No free hands? Number 3. Igloohome New Smart Padlock. The Igloohome Smart Padlock 2 and Bridge is a smart choice if you want to remotely monitor and share access to everything from your shed, to your gated property, to your bicycle. It's secure and easy to use, with support for app, keypad, and Alexa voice control. Its durable build and long battery life mean you don't have to worry about leaving it outside for long periods, and you can use it indoors, too. If a traditional padlock just won't suffice, the Igloohome Smart Padlock 2 and Bridge is an excellent option for additional peace of mind. Our main complaint is that it doesn't offer any third-party integrations via HomeKit, IFT, or Matter. Number 4. TCL D1 Pro Palm Vein Smart Lock. TCL D1 Pro Smart Lock recognizes individuals based on unique palm vein patterns, providing the latest unlocking experience and high security protection. In addition, all data is 100% stored locally, ensuring your privacy is never compromised. Superior in all conditions, compared to fingerprint door locks, D1 Pro Deadbolt Lock is suitable for all ages and not restricted by dry, aged or light fingerprints, wet or dirty hands. Protect your home security with a hygienic and convenient contactless unlocking method. App remote control, easily manage your smart Wi-Fi door lock anytime, anywhere with Smart Life app. D1 Pro Door Lock comes with integrated Wi-Fi functionality, eliminating the need for an additional bridge or hub. Rechargeable battery. D1 Pro Keyless Entry Door Lock is equipped with a 7,800 mAh eco-friendly removable and rechargeable battery, minimizing waste and environmental impact compared to disposable batteries. Number 5. Yale Security Home Assure Lock. You've got enough on your plate, let Yale get the door. Fitting into any lifestyle, this lock offers increased convenience and security, giving you one less thing to worry about during your day. With multiple ways to unlock, the ability to share and track entry codes, and advanced auto-lock with DoorSense, the Yale Assure Lock 2 protects your home and family. Add a Yale Smart Module to control your lock from your smartphone or voice assistant when you're away from home. And that's how you upgrade your front door from a simple barrier to an intelligent gateway. From fingerprint scanners to auto unlock as you approach, one of these is your key to a safer, more convenient home. Ready to make the switch? All the direct purchase links for every smart lock we featured are waiting for you in the video description below. If this guide helped you feel more secure, please help us out, smash that like button, share this with your family and neighbors, and subscribe for more smart home reviews that protect what matters most. Stay safe and smart.